What a dork. Go. Trying to take a picture of you and you don't stop moving. Go.
So what?
I'm going to take a picture of you while you're moving.
Nice area.
Yeah. I'm just waiting for that moment when you fall. Go. What are you doing, texting someone? You don't use the phone. Don't text and skate. Or call.
Wicked hard, isn't it hard? How do you turn? Like your way?
No, well, if you like lift it up.
Well, I know, but like you put it on it.
Yeah, you just gotta lean. Try it again.
I want to do this.
Oh God.
You have to go on lessons.
Yeah, lessons from who?
It's on the web. Oh!
He doesn't just jump with you. You can't just jump off and it'll be sticking to your feet.
How do you do it?
You just, okay, let me see. Wait, what? Yeah, that is exactly how you do it.
Oh my God.